Hello YouTube. This is Biker Ganna and welcome to my YouTube channel. Right now we are in Katil and we are headed towards Karkala, and from there we are going to Agumbe. Today we are doing a short ride. So guys, right now we crossed Karkala and we are headed towards Hebri. The time is 1:30 right now. So once we cross Hebri, we're gonna have our lunch and then continue to Agumbe. So we have reached Someshwara. We crossed Hebri and right now we are at Someshwara, and that mountain which we are seeing is Agumbe. Now we have to climb this Agumbe Ghat to reach top of that mountain. Let's start. There are around 9 hairpin bends. Before this road was too narrow, but recently in last year I guess they have widened it out. So now big lorries and trucks can come from this route. Otherwise only minibus and mini trucks were allowed. This is what happens when two big vehicles come in a hairpin bend. Ground clearance. So this is the famous sunset point of Agumbe. So here one more sunset point is there. We have to climb these stairs. So we have entered Agumbe. So this is the Agumbe city. The Malgudi Days serial which was there in 1990s were shot in this place. And let me show the house of Malgudi days. So this one on the left, it was there in Malgudi days. Right now it is converted as homestay. So we are going towards Thirthahalli now. So we are going towards one hanging bridge right now. So we are doing off-roading. Ilya? Tugu Setuve. That means hanging bridge. Oh my god. That jump. Which side? Okay. Yakada. Yakada. Oh god. Let's go. Wow. So this is the hanging bridge. So let's go over this hanging bridge. Favela. Wow. ಬರೆದವರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಪಾಂಡುರಂಗ, ಓದಿದವರ ಕಾಡುರಂಗ. First time I was riding over an hanging bridge. It felt nice.
Let's go one more round. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah. Okay, let's turn. Okay. One more round. Crap. ಆಗುತ್ತಾ? Yeah. 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 Let's go.
So we are climbing down the Agumbe Ghat.
I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain hidden in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we're radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, we used to radiate, get radiate, but now we're drowning. I see the fear.
So we completed the Agumbe Ghat. Hey guys, so time is 6:30 and I'm almost near my home. So hope you enjoyed this vlog. And please support me by subscribing to my channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to give a thumbs up.